let us be real. Old car stereos and tangled O-cables are a daily annoyance. If you want wireless music, clear calls, and simple plug-and-play setup without replacing your head unit, these tiny adapters are game changers. I picked 3 top contenders for different budgets and needs: a feature-packed newcomer, a bass-loving pick, a battery-backed all-rounder, and a trusted brand name. Let us jump in. Kicking things off at number 1 is the JOYROOM Bluetooth 5.4 adapter, and let me tell you, this thing is a total game changer. It's running the latest Bluetooth 5.4 tech for a rock-solid, low-latency connection right out of the box. But where it truly shines is with its dual microphone setup with advanced noise cancellation, making your hands-free calls incredibly clear, like you're in a quiet room and not on a noisy highway. It's pure plug-and-play. No battery to worry about as it powers up from your car's USB port. With independent buttons for full music control and a raft of safety certifications, it's the most feature-complete and convenient option on our list. If you want a set-it-and-forget-it solution with premium call quality, the JOYROOM is the undisputed champion. Taking our second spot is the Syncwire Bluetooth 5.4 receiver, and this adapter is all about enhancing your audio experience. It also boasts the latest Bluetooth 5.4 for a super stable link to your phone. Its standout feature, though, is the dedicated bass boost button. One press unlocks deeper, more powerful lows that seriously enrich your music. The coiled cable design is a genius touch for keeping your dashboard tidy, and the gold-plated connectors ensure top-tier sound quality. The colorful LED lights add a cool, modern feel, but you can easily turn them off for a stealthier look. Coming in at number 3 is the COMSOON Bluetooth receiver, and this one is a powerhouse when it comes to battery life. We're talking a massive 16 hours of playtime on a single charge. It also features a CVC 8.0 noise cancellation for clearer calls and can connect to 2 devices at once. The real win here is that you can use it while it's charging, so you're never caught out. It's incredibly versatile for home stereos and headphones too. The trade-off? It uses the slightly older Bluetooth 5.0, so it's not quite as cutting-edge on connection stability as our first 2 picks. But for the price, that incredible battery life makes the COMSOON an absolute steal for long-distance commuters and anyone who hates constantly plugging in their gadgets. If I had to pick one to keep in my own car right now, the JOYROOM takes the crown. Those dual mics and zero-lag connection are unbeatable. But honestly, you can't go wrong. COMSOON for battery life, Syncwire for style, and JOYROOM for the ultimate experience. Drop a comment which one you're grabbing. Links and timestamps below. Once you go wireless in the car, you'll never go back. Drive safe and see you in the next one.